And it is, everything's on a tilt, so it's sliding down at me. I wanted to show you this. This is a product that I got from the new store that I've been using the past couple of months. It is a moisturizing lotion called Renew, and I have heard a lot of customers that have purchased this say how great it is. So I am going to give it a try myself. I do get dry skin, especially during the summertime. I know I get it in the wintertime with the cold weather, but in the summertime I get it because I'm out in the sun, because I enjoy being outside. Not doing outdoor things, don't get me wrong, but I like to go out and read by natural sunlight and just soak up the sun. And then my skin can dry out. So this is the Renew Intensive Skin Therapy. It is white. And I'm going to put a little bit on my arms right now. I will say this, a lot of lotions that I have tried, you can still see it on my skin after I rub it in. This just absorbs really well. So I'm going to put some on my other arm. I don't know if it has a scent to it. Let me see if it says there's a scent. Heals and prevents even the driest skin, provides immediate and long-lasting relief, leaves skin softer and healthier. Apply liberally as needed, ideal for total body use. Reapply to severely dry, rough, or problem areas. For best results, apply after showering or bathing. Well, I got my shower earlier today, so this will go up to my bathroom so I can use it after showering from now on. But this feels so soft. It does. It feels really good. I will say, I can't see any leftover on my skin, but there is kind of a shine to it. So I like the smell of it, but I don't know if it's scented or if it's just whatever ingredients are in here that just kind of have that. Listen to the set of ingredients. This is what I'm talking about with these companies. This one has, as a first couple ingredients, deionized water, glycerin, petrolatum. Then we get into some of the other ones. But there's really not a lot of ingredients here. There's disteryl ammonium chloride, isopropyl palmitate, cetyl alcohol, dimethicone, allantoin T36-C5, whatever that is, melaleuca oil, benzyl alcohol, and fragrance. So it doesn't tell me what the fragrance is, but I really like the scent of it. So that, folks, is the Renew Intensive Skin Therapy.